Hello.
Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Where are you going, Ella?
To the park.
It's very cold, anak.
To the park.
So guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Great Asian Market.
No,
Titingin
the
ng
park.
isda.
No, I
Kasi
don't
Good
want to
Friday
go
ngayon.
there. No, we have to go to the park.
We will buy stick. Oh. Ay! Oh, Daddy is smiling. Parang may gusto rin. May gusto rin sa Great Asian, ah.
So when are we there?
We will buy stick, oh, and we will buy fish to cook.
No, after the park.
They say the park, they're renovating the park, anak.
What when?
They're removing the snow because it's slippery and it's wet. So if the sun comes out, it will be nice.
Continue on Ring Road for 1.5
Right?
The
kilometers.
sun is already out.
No, I can't see the sun here.
Is it that cloudy?
Yeah, it's very cloudy, hey?
But how can it dry?
Let's see.
A few moments later.
Guys, andito na tayo sa Great Asian Market.
Yes, go. But not fish. Don't buy any
Your
fish.
destination is on the left.
Istigo is your snack. The fish is our lunch. Yeah, it is. Great Asian. Okay, okay. Oh, get a basket, ha? This one. Oh, pull this one like this. Oh, ayan. Torpedoes. Walang expiration dito. Wait lang. Basta na sa kanila. Ano pa? Ano pa? Ano pa? Sipag ni Ella, guys. So, yun. Medyo madami-dami na rin kami nakuhang seafood. Kimchi. Madami pa, ah. Isip ka nung mga wala. Uy, ito tama rin. Ano, yung sanang ano. Meron na, yung gabi. Gabi yan, no? Sinigang ba yan? Sinigang. Oo. Dalawa.
Kasi wala na tayong sinigang, magagamit ko na last time.
Sure ka? Okay. Oh, may tinola rin pala na sabaw na. So, yan guys. Ito, si Ella. Oh, ito, may stick O na chocolate. Which one, Kaden?
This one.
No, the one. Bibili na lang tayo sa Costco. Yun oh, yung stick O na yun.
You want stick na chocolate? Or ube?
Ube.
Makuha na lang ng isa ring chocolate.
No, no, no.
Get one
not the
chocolate.
chocolate. The ube.
You have the ube na. Meron din sila dito. Oh, come on, Ella. Ala, si Ella nahihirapan na nga. Ayaw pa rin magpatulong. Wag daw i-help. Oh, be careful, anak, ha.
I don't.
Oh, yan guys. Tapos na kami. Away sila ng away sa loob. Nag-aagawan ng basket. So, nakamagkano tayo? Bale. Pag dalawang stick, 850 na lang. Bale, 128.52. Yung tax is 0.52 at saka 0.63. So, Yan po yung nagastos natin. Bumili na rin kami ng mga wala na. Ang pinakamahal lang naman dito is yung shrimp. Pero mahal talaga ang shrimp.
Saka marami yun eh.
Oo, so 1.9 pounds yun. Kaya, yun.
Empty.
Ay, nako. Ang nakaka-stress lang yung dalawa nag-aagawan. Pag, So, yan. Uwi na tayo para magluto ng galunggong. Nakakaintindi si Kaden pag uwi. Yun lang ang kaya niyang intindihin. So, ayan. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi away ng away yung dalawa.
Let's go to the other park.
Anak, they closed the park because it's -8 today. And look, nagkakaroon ng umuulan. It's raining. So you cannot see anyone at the park.
But you can use an umbrella.
We don't have umbrella here. We don't use umbrella here.
You use it outside when it's raining. The dreamers.
So where are you going today? Victoria
Victoria
Mall.
Mall.
Yeah. Magtutour tayo ngayon sa Victoria Mall.
I
Tingnan
don't
natin.
know that.
Yeah, kung may Easter egg hunt doon. Egg
It doesn't
hunting.
nothing.
Yeah, let's see. So today is Saturday. Ayun. Tapos mamaya bababa na rin kami ni Daryl sa bahay din. Kasi mag-work na siya. Ayun guys. Ayan. Maganda yung weather.
In the mall.
We're just going to check something.
Why?
Continue on
If
Possible
there's
Signal
sale,
Road
we're
on
gonna tell to the subscribers so they can go to the mall and have some shopping.
But why are Jackie there?
What do you mean?
Why is Jackie there?
Because we want to go outside.
To go somewhere else.
Mm-mm.
But why? But
So yan guys, malapit na tayo din sa Victoria Mall. Ito is isang mall dito sa East End naman. Sa North is yung tawag dito. Ano na yung mall na sa North?
North Mall.
North Mall. North Gate at saka yung isa yung pinupuntahan natin dun sa
Cornwall?
mismong Cornwall. Doon. Tapos
the
dito,
light, turn right
yan,
onto Truesdale
Victoria
Drive.
Mall.
Signs for Truesdale Drive.
Tapos sa South naman yung Southland Mall. May mga malls din naman kami dito.
300
So,
meters, turn left onto Quinn Street.
hindi siya yung mall na katulad sa Pilipinas na ilang palapag. Ito talagang flat lang. Ito yung papasok niya.
At the light, turn left onto Quinn Street.
Quan Street. Oh, yung street namin. So, ito ang mall namin dito, guys.
why going there?
Papark na
Why
tayo.
going there?
We're gonna check something.
We're gonna check something.
Boboard na naman. Dilim, guys. Hindi ko alam kung walang kuryente. Uy, Easter egg hunt. Kaden, bilis. Yeah, there's Easter egg. Yeah, walang kuryente, guys. Nasaktuhan. Sorry na. Uy. Yeah. Na si Bunny. Brown out dito. Walang kuryente. So, tingnan nyo. Ang init. Kaya pupunta na lang tayo sa ano.
That's okay.
We cannot find the arcade because there's no kuryente, anak.
There's no electricity.
Mm-mm.
Not next time. Why is it next
Nagkari-
time?
Karon na? Hindi pa. Oo, sa East Regina lang. Wala sa North or South, no?
Why is it next?
So, ayan. Hindi namin naipakita yung sa, loob. Kasi nga, madilim.
There's a There's no
Mm-mm.
electricity.
Wala. Mamaya na lang siguro.
Yes, let's try again tomorrow.
Yep. Okay, let's go. So guys, nagpunta na lang kami dito sa McDonald's.
For our food.
Kasi nga yung mga tiyanak naghihintay. Napurnado yung sa Victoria Mall namin. Ayun. Dito na lang muna tayo. Be a good girl and good boy, ha?
Why?
Because you went here na.
What's in?
Mm-mm.
I like it. Boy.
Tapos mamaya papasok na si Daryl. Smile, Kaden.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, open your Happy Meal now.
No. Yes, I will.
Oh, wow.
Yummy hamburger
Dareng.
and the fries.
Hamburger, Ella.
I like this one. Look.
And
It
fries.
just got to play.
Oh, fries for Ella.
And
Eat na. Eat the burger na, Ella.
And my fries.
Mm.
There's
It's
a
hot?
yogurt.
Hot pa?
Help me get the fries.
Okay. I'll help you. Put a tissue, anak.
I got the dog.
Napkin
I
pala.
got the roof.
Tissue.
I got the roof.
This is your...
I got the
Oh.
roof. I got the roof. I got this stuff.
Yeah, you're the same with Ella. Oh, later na. You eat na muna fries.
Is it warmer?
Mm-mm.
Yes, it's warmer.
Ayan po, nakapag-uwi na naman si Ella ng Happy Meal.
How about me?
Pati si Kaden daw. How about Kaden? Oh, dito, bilisan nyo. May lalabas dito, ah. Ang bilis, Ella.
Get me more.
Buy ka dreamers. Ganda ng araw. Ayan guys, pauwi na tayo. Kasi may work na si Daryl Estrellas.
Arcola Avenue West, Saskatchewan 33 West.
So dito pa rin tayo sa side ng Chuka.
At the light,
Chuka,
turn
chuka,
right on
chuka.
Arcola Avenue West, Saskatchewan 33 West.
Chicken. Ah, ito na pala, no? Ganun na lang. Saglit lang din.
Pagkapasok mo naman
Ah, ah.
yung yun.
Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken.
Ayan, na ano na naman, nagasolinahan na naman yung mga tiyanak. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Chicken. Chicken.